Hey everyone, welcome back to Manuals Plus. Today, we're elaborating the installation, operation and maintenance of LG F4J6TM0W Direct Drive washing machine. Let's get started. Installation. Parts of washing machine. Transit bolts, power plug, drawer, control panel, drum, door, drain hose, drain plug, drain pump filter, cover cap, and adjustable feet. Accessories of washing machine. Cold supply hose, spanner, caps for covering transit bolt holes, anti-slip sheets, elbow bracket for securing drain hose, and tie strap. Specifications. Appearance and specifications may change without notice to improve the quality of the product. No further backflow protection required for connection to the water supply. Unpacking and removing transit bolts. After removing the carton and shipping material, lift the appliance off the foam base. Make sure the tub support comes off with the base and is not stuck to the bottom of the appliance. Do not lay the appliance on its front or back. Starting with the bottom two transit bolts, use the spanner included to fully loosen all transit bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the bolt assemblies by wiggling them slightly while pulling them out. Locate the hole caps included in the accessory pack or attached on the back. Leveling the appliance. If the floor is uneven, turn the adjustable feet as required. Make sure that all 4 feet are stable and resting on the floor, and then check that the appliance is perfectly level. Once the appliance is level, tighten the lock nuts up towards the base of the appliance. All lock nuts must be tightened. Connecting the water supply hose. Connecting hose to water tap. Connecting screw-type hose to tap with thread. Screw the hose connector onto the water supply tap. Connecting screw-type hose to tap without thread. Loose the 4 fixing screws. Remove the guide plate if the tap is too large to fit the adapter. Push the adapter onto the end of the tap so that the rubber seal forms a watertight connection. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Push the supply hose vertically upwards so that the rubber seal within the hose can adhere completely to the tap, and then tighten it by screwing it to the right. Connecting one-touch type hose to tap without thread. Unscrew the adaptering plate and loose the 4 fixing screws. Remove the guide plate if the tap is too large to fit the adapter. Push the adapter onto the end of the tap so that the rubber seal forms a watertight connection. Tighten the 4 fixing screws and the adaptering plate. Pull the connector latch plate down, push the supply hose onto the adapter, and release the connector latch plate. Make sure the adapter locks into place. Connecting hose to appliance. Attach the hot water line to the hot water supply on the back of the washer. Attach the cold water line to the cold water supply on the back of the washer. Installing the drain hose. The drain hose should not be placed higher than 100 centimeters above the floor. Water in the appliance may not drain or may drain slowly. Securing the drain hose correctly will protect the floor from damage due to water leakage. If the drain hose is too long, do not force it back into the appliance. This will cause abnormal noise. When installing the drain hose to a sink, secure it tightly with string. Securing the drain hose correctly will protect the floor from damage due to water leakage. Operation. Using the washing machine. Sort laundry by fabric type, soil level, color, and load size as needed. Open the door and load items into the washing machine. Add the proper amount of detergent to the detergent dispenser drawer. If desired, add bleach or fabric softener to the appropriate areas of the dispenser. Press the power button to turn on the washing machine. Press the cycle button repeatedly or turn the cycle selector knob until the desired cycle is selected. Press the start or pause button to begin the cycle. The washing machine will agitate briefly without water to measure the weight of the load. If the start or pause button is not pressed within 5 minutes, the washing machine will shut off and all settings will be lost. When the cycle is finished, a melody will sound. Immediately remove your clothing from the washing machine to reduce wrinkling. Check around the door seal when removing the load for small items that may be caught in the seal. Control panel. Power button. Press the power button to turn the washing machine on. Start or pause button. This start or pause button is used to start the wash cycle or pause the wash cycle. If a temporary stop of the wash cycle is needed, press the start or pause button. Display. The display shows the settings, estimated time remaining, options, and status messages. When the product is turned on, The default settings in the display will illuminate. Program knob. Programs are available according to laundry type. Lamp will light up to indicate the selected program. Options. This allows you to select an additional program and will light when selected. Use these buttons to select the desired program options for the selected cycle. Washing program table. Drying program table. Maintenance. Cleaning your washing machine. After wash. After the cycle is finished, wipe the door and the inside of the door seal to remove any moisture. Leave the door open to dry the drum interior. Wipe the body of the washing machine with a dry cloth to remove any moisture. Cleaning the water inlet filter. Turn off the water tap and unscrew the water supply hose. Clean the filter using a hard bristle brush. Cleaning the drain pump filter. Open the cover cap and pull out the hose. Unplug the drain plug and open the filter by turning it to the left. Remove any extraneous matter from the pump filter. After cleaning, turn the pump filter and insert the drain plug. Close the cover cap. Cleaning the dispenser drawer. Press down hard on the disengage button and remove the drawer. Rinse the inserts and the drawer with warm water to remove buildup from laundry products. Use only water to clean the dispenser drawer. Dry the inserts and drawer with a soft cloth or towel. Remove all residue from the upper and lower parts of the recess. Wipe any moisture off the recess with a soft cloth or towel. Return the inserts to the proper compartments and replace the drawer. Troubleshooting. Washing machine is equipped with an automatic error monitoring system to detect and diagnose problems at an early stage. If washing machine does not function properly or does not function at all, check these symptoms before call for service. Thanks for tuning in with Manuals Plus today. If you found this guide on LG F4J6TM0W Direct Drive washing machine helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Catch you in the next video.